is a gun from Firefly that I designed in Fusion 360, and you can go and buy the download files on my CG Trader profile. And the cool thing about this model is I made it with an action. So everything comes together just by these screws and some pins. And now I'm gonna open it up, and by that you will be able to see what holds this whole thing together. I'm not gonna dismantle the grip because there's no need. And now I shall start by removing this. And oh, I was looking for this actually. So that's the spare rubber. So how this whole thing works is this rubber is holding the trigger back, and when you pull it, the hammer goes behind. So that's the whole thing. And if you do decide to buy the model, this is what you're probably gonna use. So this is a barbecue skewer, which is 3.5 millimeters thick. That's enough to hold this, I named it trigger rail, locked with the wheel, and the hammer just slides right in. And you'll need another screw or pin, depending how do you prefer, to hold the trigger rail to the trigger. I painted this with acrylics. You can do the same, and you can see this pin holds the whole thing together. I didn't paint the insides because I was thinking of gluing it, but then again I don't need to, because the pin and the whole shape of the gun is holding the grip in place. Now let me put it back together. And these screws are, take my shitty caliper thingy, so these are 2 centimeters. The thickness is 2 millimeters, and the screw head is about 5.5 millimeters thick. Though I would prefer, but I cannot find, screws that have a smaller screw head. They don't protrude above the model. I mean, they do, but just a teensy weensy bit. As you can see. I'm sorry, I'm using my shitty webcam, and this thing goes right in, and you can move it, slide it, whatever. Like it's basically meant to be a locking thing. So that's the gun. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with another prop. If you need any other explanations, links are down below to contact me.